There's no getting around it. The Porsche design Huawei Mate RS screams Samsung Galaxy S9. It all starts with its curved OLED display, extends to the rounded metal frame with machined antenna bands in identical locations and continues to the curved glass back. It's only when you look and feel very attentively that you notice, but Porsche design's influence adds more curvature at the top and bottom of the Mate RS's front and back panel of glass. It really does feel excellent in the hand, with the added assurance of IP67 water and dust resistance being a welcome one when handling such a pricey gadget. Rather than shy away from the S9 comparison, Porsche Design's design director, Christian Schwamm-Krug embraces it, explaining that his team prioritizes symmetry and clean lines in its products, stating that the Galaxy S9 is a well-designed product, but that the Mate RS design is better. As a result, Porsche Design's new Huawei smartphone has a symmetrical back, unlike the Galaxy S9. This focus on design and clean lines also explains Porsche Design's decision to ditch the P20's notch and instead go with a QHD curved screen, symmetrical on both axes. As for the glass back's mirrored finish, it does two things well: looks spectacular after every polish and broadcasts fingerprints in between every polish.